got these new cycling helmets for this episode, sponsored by Outdoor Master. It got us thinking, is there a right or wrong way to wear a helmet? We asked a certified cycling instructor for advice.
First, you open up your straps, put it on. You don't want it down so low. Put about 2 fingers between your eyebrows and the rim. You want the V on either side. And then when you clasp it down here, you want 2 fingers here. If you can do 2 fingers this way, it's too loose. You want to be able to talk. So you don't want it so close that it's choking you. Every helmet has these little things on the side that you can put up underneath your ear, kind of like earrings. And then almost all helmets have a mechanism in the back that you can tighten that pulls in the inner shell. That's the basic of all helmets. And no helmet can be sold in the United States without that basic arrangement.
Why should we wear a helmet?
Because you only have one brain. Helmets may be required in your jurisdiction for people under a certain age, but that doesn't mean that people over a certain age should no longer wear them. Because the truth is that adults are usually going faster. We can have falls, and when we have falls, the impact of them is hidden because it's inside. If you've got that helmet, not only have you protected yourself as well as you can, but the helmet can go to the emergency room and the doctors can get a picture of what happened from it. We have an expression we say, if you crash it, you trash it. If you get into an accident where your helmet has hit the ground or a hard surface, trash it. And when you do that, cut off the strap so that someone doesn't pull it out of the trash and use it. I won't ride without one.
Got MIPS? Been MIPPing?
What's MIPS?
Monthly investment plan of minor in possession. MIPS is for MIPS technology. It allows the helmet to move around your head during a crash. Basically, it lessens the chance for brain injury. Will it protect us from a meteorite shower?
Hope we never have to find out.
When we received our helmets, it came in this really cool bag. Also, it comes with extra padding that goes inside your helmet. Extra padding is good for your seat and also on your head within your helmet. I've had the helmet for about a month. And it's very comfortable, feels cool when it's hot outside.
Love the color. And it blocks the sun from my face.
And I do feel safe with it. Today's episode is sponsored by Outdoor Master. They are an online retailer of MIPS cycling helmets. So if you want 50% discount, I want a 50% discount, go down to our description below and click the link. Hope to see you riding!
Let's go riding!